Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into a product that's been making waves in the wellness community, Nutrition Bovine Colostrum Powder. If you're looking to boost your health and wellness routine, this might just be the product for you. Let's get into it. So, what exactly is bovine colostrum? It's the first form of milk produced by cows right after giving birth, packed with nutrients, antibodies, and growth factors. It's designed to provide newborn calves with the nutrients they need to grow and thrive. And now, you can benefit from these same powerful nutrients. One of the key benefits of Nutrition Bovine Colostrum Powder is its immune-boosting properties. It's rich in immunoglobulins, which are antibodies that help fight off infections and support a healthy immune system. This can be especially beneficial during cold and flu season or if you're feeling run down. Another major benefit is gut health. Bovine colostrum contains growth factors that help repair and regenerate the gut lining. This can improve digestion, reduce inflammation, and even help with conditions like leaky gut syndrome, but that's not all. Colostrum is also known for its ability to enhance athletic performance and recovery. The growth factors and protein content help build and repair muscle tissue, making it a great supplement for athletes and fitness enthusiasts. Plus, Nutrition Bovine Colostrum Powder is easy to incorporate into your daily routine. You can mix it into water, smoothies, or even your morning coffee. It's tasteless, so it won't affect the flavor of your favorite drinks. To sum it up, here are the top benefits of Nutrition Bovine Colostrum Powder: boosts immune system, supports gut health, enhances athletic performance and recovery, easy to incorporate into daily routine, boosts immune system, supports gut health, enhances athletic performance, easy to use. If you're interested in trying it out, I've included a link in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health and wellness reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay happy.